Hello, hi beautiful people. Thank you for tuning in today. Sheila here. I am in Nakawuka, and today I am going to be showing you this plot of land over here. It is for sale. You are going to be coming with me and walking with me. We have the main road over here. Do you see? That is the main road, yeah? This whole bit that has the plants, this is the road reserve, but part of your land. But now your land starts from here. This is the Luwanyi, this one, yeah, over here, and all the way up to the other side. So come with me. Oh, first of all, before we go, Nakawuka is Nakawuka Town Trading Center is 2 kilometers. We are 2 kilometers away from Nakawuka Trading Center. Then if you go this side, we have Jungo Town. When you reach Jungo Town, there is a bit that goes to Mpiji, there is a bit that goes to Kasanje, there is a bit that continues to the lake shore. There is a lake shore this side, guys. So we are that close. From Kampala City Center, it is just 30 kilometers away from Kampala City Center. So now, let's have our walk and let me show you. This is where we start from here. So from here up to down there, do you see that fence over there? From here up to down there, that is 65 feet, yeah? From here up to there is 65 feet. From that corner up to where I'm going to show you over there is 165 feet. Then from this Luwanyi, from this Luwanyi up to the other side is 173 feet, yeah? So those are the dimensions. It is like a triangle. It is like this, but hey, come with me. Let's go, come on, let's go. So this is 65 feet from here up to there, and we are going to be walking through all the way up to the other side, yeah? Remember, this bit is also part of it, but it is considered the road reserve, yeah? But it is part of it where you're seeing those bushes, because the road is over there. So let's go, come on. And these are your neighbors. This is a recreation center over here. Recreation when you want to chill and, you know, relax and all that things. So from here, we start from somewhere here. One for fence, somewhere here. Yeah, what did you do? Somewhere here. Okay, I'm not saying the Luwanyi, but somewhere here. So come with me. We do have a road in here. You know the people who make the roads through here. So this is us moving. Remember, from here to there, 65 feet. From here to there, 165 feet. From there to there, 173 feet. So this is what is going on. And of course, just like our intro saying, the green is green. The green is greening, and the sun is sunning, obviously. But come on, come with me. Let's go. I think I've given you the main details of the land, the main details of the area. We are just 2 kilometers away from Nakawuka Center, yeah? Wali, Nakawuka Center. So, Wali, Jungo, main road over. Sorry guys, main road is just here. This bit, of course, I'm going to go to the main road and show you the whole view. This bit here, part of your lands, but the road reserve, yeah? So let's go. This is what is going on here. So guys, the land title is ready. Land title is ready. Land title is available. In case you are interested, my phone number is up there on the screen. Come to WhatsApp. I am going to give you the details that you need. Maybe you need to check on something for yourself. I have the land title of the owner with the national ID, the plot number, the chapa, kumeza, whatever. You already know what this is for, right? 20 million. So, land title, on the table like this. So let me show you this end over here, and then I tell you the price, how much the price is. I've been here telling you, make money, make money. So, all the way here, it passes here like this. From the other side, from there where we started, yeah, and then it comes like this, and then where you see these both things, the busagazi, the kasagazi there. The kasagazi here, this is where we are passing. We have more bisagazi here, and we come up to right here. So from this side, this is where we start, yeah. The lumonde is for the neighbor. You see the lumonde there? That is for the neighbor. We are starting from here, and then we go all the way up to the other side, yeah. And then this is the road. This is not our pit. From here like this, yeah. That is the road reserve. All right, guys. So do you remember that shape in school that was like a triangle, but not really a triangle? A triangle that did not have equal sides. That is the shape of this plot. So it comes from there straight like this, yeah. From there, that is the 173 feet. From there up to the other side. Then from that fence, it goes up there where I showed you the luwani, yeah. Then from the luwani, it comes like this, yeah. You know what I mean, yeah. It comes like this. It is like a triangle. You know, the one with uneven sides. That is the one. So that is the shape. Those are the measurements. This is where we are at the moment. This is the road reserve, but of course road reserve is also part of your plot. Officially this is your plot, but this is also part of it all the way up to the roads, up to the main roads, yeah. So you see what is going on, right? The roads, they are there 2 kilometers from here, Nakawuka town. The other side, Jungo, Impiti, going straight forward. And then the road is going to be made, obviously, any minute now. In fact, the trucks, guys, listen, I'm going to be posting a video of how to get here all the way from town, because I came this side and of course I was recording. So you're going to see the construction trucks all over the place. They are working on the road. So any minute now, it will be unbuyable. So okay, let's walk again, and then I tell you the price, and then that will be for today. Actually, okay, let's go to the main road. Do you see the Visagazi? The Visagazi over there, where the Visagazi is. Going the other side and then the other side. And from here. So this bit without the grass, this is the neighbor, yeah? This bit with the grass, this is our bit. But it is a road reserve. So you're seeing all that big grass up to this side. Road reserve, but part of the plot, yeah. And then we go all the way up to here. Come with me. All the way up to there, and then I take you back to Aluanyi, and then that will be it. You will be knowing everything, yeah. Main road. So going. this road here, and then you have this road going down there, yeah? All this is part of it. And then, okay. So, road reserve here, all the way up to there. Up to there. You see? Up to there. Then you have this road going down here like this.
Coming from
This is the main road here. You see? Main road over here. These are the neighbors, as you can see.
When you go the other side.
Nakawuka over there, 2 kilometers away. Jongo over there, a few kilometers away. We also have another happening place there. Do you see? There, over there, yeah? You can go and have some food and, you know, enjoy yourselves. And so now we go. This is the road. Road reserve. Back to the Luwanyi. Yeah? So guys, I think you understand everything that is going on, right? I've shown you everything. We have seen everything together. You know everything about this plot. So the price, if you are serious, my number is there. On the side there, Mukasonda, come to WhatsApp. Let me give you all the details that you need. Maybe you can do some research. You can do some research for yourself if you want. And then the price. Alright guys, this is our Kawanyi. Now you know everything about this plot, yeah? From here up to that fence, you see the 99 bricks there, up to the other side, then it comes like this. Then this whole bush is the road reserve, but it is also yours because no one is going to come and do anything in the road reserve, yeah? So of course, you know, the businesses that we can do here, you know, like the petrol station business, maybe shops over here, and then you have parking over there. You know those businesses that they do by the street, right? Because I show you all the time, like all the time. So we do have quite a lot going on and quite a lot that you can do when you are here. And back to the price. So guys, the price is 60 million Uganda shillings. Emitwalo milioni inkaga eze Uganda. 60 million Uganda shillings. Millioni inkaga. That is the price. So before you come to the inbox, 60, 0, comma, 000, comma, 000.
In dollar?
The one. In dollars, and I have to check Google for that.
And the pound.
Yeah? Give me a second. Let me ask Google. Where is it? Give me a second. 60 million UGX. 60 million UGXC to USD. Alright, Google has delivered 16,300. Okay, let's say 16,400. Only dollar umswalo gumu mukakaga mubina. 16,400 US dollars. 60 million Ugandan shillings. Millioni inkaga is a Uganda. That is our price.
Pound.
Eh?
Pound.
Pound.
Olina abawagizi bokuva Bungereza.
Pound. Okay, pound. Let's have a look. 2 pounds. Gomubiri 12,364. Okay, let's say 12,400 British pounds. Now you know everything, right? Alright, I'll see you in my inbox. Serious people only. Inbox mujimanyi waliyo chiboko. Teri muzanyo, teri something. Mujenga tugenda kwogera kutaka lino. Yeah?
About 20 million.
20 million? Chiboko.
Tebasembera bana.
Alright guys, I'll
20 million.
20 million. Bino tubireke.
Bagende wa?
We are going to
Busika Vumba.
20 million Busika Vumba. Other people 20 million muli katebe batadde ku bench, eh?
Tebagula main road ya 20 million. You can't get a plot of 20 million on the main road, yeah?
Alright guys. right, so take care of yourselves. Of course, you know the drill. Take care of yourselves. Be good people.
Nabalina molo wano. Molo. Molo esobola ozimbawo petrol station. Yes. Yasobola ozimbako enjuye maduuka.
Takamulirabye mwekwase kirala. Okay. All right, guys. I'll see you. Take care of yourselves. We are making the money. How? Legally or illegally? We are making this money. All right. Bye-bye. See ya. Hi guys, great seeing you, great having you today. Remember the old channel was hacked. This is the new channel, so I need you guys to like the video, share the video, drop me a comment, subscribe to the channel. We need to bring up the subscriber number. I need you to share, to comment, to like, to everything. You know how we do it here. You know how we kutambuza the chintu, yeah? I honestly cannot do this without you guys. I cannot do this without you. So I need you out there to help me out. Tutambuze chintu, and we go back to kutambuza the chintu. So that has been it for today. This is the land. You've had everything. You've seen everything. That is my number up there. Please reach out. Reach out on my WhatsApp or give me a call. Just like I mentioned, I have all the documents and everything that you need. Bwetutyo mpola mpola nga wetutambuza ekintu. Remember the person who gave me this gig, Bambi, you know, when I told them that the channel was gone, and then I asked them, should I proceed to go to the land or not? He was like, oh no, Sheila, don't worry, go to the land, record the land, let my video be the first video. So in case you watched the very first video of this channel, I talked about all these things. And very, very soon I'll be making a live and talking more about all these things. But all in all, thank you guys for being here. I recorded this video right after the hacking, that very, very same day. I'm even surprised I had the energy to speak and laugh like this. Anyway, guys, this is it for today. Be safe out there. If it's not on, it is not safe. Make the money. We are making it legally or illegally. 20 million gang, we are sitting this one out. Busika vumba, abe busika vumba jetuda sola. But for those interested, you know what to do, right? Alright guys, I will see you in our next video. Bye bye. See ya.